Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add collaboration in Instagram posts after posting. So first of all guys, get into your Instagram application and then click on your profile from over here. And then choose the post you want and then click on the three lines at the top right corner and tap on edit from over here. And now beneath the add location, we're supposed to find add collaboration or something similar to that. But if you didn't find it, all you guys need to do is to go back and click on the plus button and then make sure to add the post with the same picture of your last post that you wanted to add a collaboration on. And then from over here, you can find the collaboration option in two places. The first place is when you click on advanced settings from over here, you will find it right here. If you didn't find it, just go back and tap on tag people. And as you can see, we have invite collaborator. From over here, you can click on it and now you can add collaboration to your Instagram post. And you just need for your collaborator to accept your collaboration, and that's pretty much it. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care until next video.